I got 1, 2, 3 hoes. Make a meal in a day, tomorrow I make more. I got 4, 5, 6, yeah. Counting so much money, you can call me cashier. I got 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. I'm Ollie.
And I'm Jamie.
So today we're filming, I think, a very awaited for Q&A. A lot of people have a lot of questions for us, and I think all of you want to know about a lot of stuff, so that's what we're doing today.
Yeah.
So pretty much let's just get straight to it.
Let's do it.
Right, so yeah, let's get on to the first question. We'll throw the questions up on the screen like here, every question.
Yeah.
So yeah, first question, I'll read this one. Can you make a video of your trading NAS 100 and a strategy JSA_Forex has asked? Yeah, so we've got plenty of videos planned. We're gonna be definitely doing like some educational videos, aren't we?
Yeah,
I don't know
we've got a video of us trading and that's live on our YouTube already.
Yeah, we've got that up already, haven't we?
Yeah.
So I don't know if there'll be another trading that specifically, but there will definitely be educational videos and stuff like that. So if you want to ask the next question, so answer that.
There's also a live trade on the S&P 500 that will be uploaded. I'll record that today, so that will be uploaded probably Sunday. Yeah. So, what would be your best advice for a complete beginner? Okay, so me and Ollie kind of disagree on this one a little bit. So personally, for me, I think jump in a demo account. I think learn your strategy, get to know it really well, and then I think maybe the psychology factor when you do go live, it won't be so harsh on you because you kind of know what you're doing. I just think learn the strategy really well in a demo account, so you've not got the emotional attachment of losing money, and you can like spend time actually learning instead of worrying the whole time. But Ollie, you disagree, don't you?
Yeah, so I kind of think it's good to so I did this. I got straight into live, but obviously don't chuck tons of money in. Like you don't have to chuck thousands in, like £50. Still the same risk, isn't it?
Yeah.
No matter the account size. If you can trade, you can trade on any size account if you have correct risk. But that's why I thought, if you start live straight away, I think it helps your emotions quite quick, like psychology-wise. Because if you go from a demo and you've had losses, it don't mean anything to you. But you jump into a live account, it's completely different when you have a loss. It affects you differently. As much as you don't think it will, it does. But that's my opinion.
Yeah, so we've got different opinions, but I think both of us are correct. Like, it just depends how you learn better. So I think Ollie learned better chucking money in straight away. I learned better from a demo account, and some of you guys would do better with me, my advice, and some of you do better with Ollie's advice. So it just depends who you are, how you learn. It all depends how you learn.
What indicators are you using alongside your strategy? Mufa Madim asked. So yeah, fuck indicators. None. That's the simple answer.
We don't use any of them.
No indicators. Some of the indicators that you get on MetaTrader 5, 4, and even TradingView, they weren't even made for Forex, were they?
No. It's
good example. Example. The RSI that was made for the stock market. So why the hell have they put it on there for you to use for Forex?
No, God knows.
We don't use any indicators for our strategy. Just our strategy. Simple answer to that one.
Can trading get me bitches, and can bitches get me trading? Well, I mean, I guess, if you go for the gold diggers, I guess so. Go for it. Alright, so retail or SMC or smart money concepts. So this one I think it's very controversial. There's a lot of retail traders out there trading like trend lines and stuff, and then there's a lot of like smart money concept traders that think their strategy is the best in the world and nothing beats it. It's definitely a big topic right now, especially on Twitter. Personally, we think retail is flawed, but there's also a lot of smart money concept traders out there on YouTube who also don't have a clue what they're doing as well. So it's a sticky one, and there's a big argument about this at the minute, like which strategy is better. But we think retail is trash. Some of smart money is good, some of it is bad.
It's just knowing the correct things to use. Really,
yeah, exactly. But it's a heated topic at the minute, that's for sure.
Between scalping, this is a good question. BW_Bunny has asked, between scalping or swinging, which do you prefer? So me personally, I'm not the most patient person, so I would prefer scalping ideally. But we do also teach like I'd get another account to do swing trading. It's like so if I want to continue my day-to-day trading, I would have an account for that to do like scalp. Oh, I don't really scalp. I do intraday pretty much. That's what we both mainly
Yeah.
are. And then if I wanted to hold a swing trade, like we teach about a trade on the US 30 and the indices that you can catch. And if you're in our group, you then know about
the
that.
mentorship loved that teaching. They loved it.
And if you knew about that, then I do like swing trading for that, yeah. But between them two, if I was to pick one, it'd be scalping for me. What would it
Yeah,
be for you?
same with me. I think you can personally make more money scalping or intraday trading, just because if you're swing trading and you're trading only on the daily chart, yeah, you can make money doing it, but I think it's not giving you that many setups where like compound interest doesn't really get a chance to, or compound interest is on your account, but it's very slow because the setups are so the setups take ages to form, whereas on an intraday chart, you know, setups can form all the time. So you have a lot more trades to then grow your account exponentially. So, hi, do you guys have a 100% working strategy? And do you have online courses? Thanks for the reply. So, no, we do not have a 100% winning strategy. I don't think anyone in the world has that. It's, or that would be next to impossible. But no, we have our own strategies that we use and that we teach one to the mentorship guys, which is really good. And obviously our strategies are quite good as well. But none of them are 100%, you know, success rate.
I don't think it's done anyway.
No, I don't think anyone has done that.
But yeah, so answer the other bit, yeah, we don't have a course, but we have mentorship, as Jamie just mentioned,
which are like
on the
live
website.
calls, yeah.
So yeah, that's all we offer though on there.
Yeah.
Course wise, if you. J Taylor 2511 has asked, how many signals do you send out per week? Success rate question. So it's a hard question to answer really. So, well, in my opinion, there's no certain amount of trades. Anyone who can say on Instagram, you'll see all the ads, won't you? Like 20 plus trades a day. They can't trade. It's very simple. They may have wins, yeah, but they simply can't trade. How can you guarantee there's going to be 20 trades a day? It just you can't guarantee those trades, and that's the simple answer to it. You can't guarantee how many trades there's going to be a week. If a setup don't form, it doesn't form. If it does, it does. It's completely up to the market what happens and how many setups there will be a week. And then success rate, again, it varies on the month. Like right now, August, bad time to trade, and I'll be honest, nothing to hide. There's not that much success in the group at the minute because it's a bad month. I've said multiple times now. Nothing to hide, like full transparency. That's the whole idea of this video.
Yeah.
And but usually I'd say for a success rate, mid 80s to mid 80s. I'd say that's around the year when we actually are trading.
So this person asked, what did you and Jamie do with the 1 million? Congrats, by the way. So we have had a lot of comments about this.
Many.
Where is the withdrawal? So you guys have to understand, we're 20 years old, okay? When you withdraw 1.5 million to your bank straight away, you understand, like, number one, taxman is gonna tax us heavily on that. We'll be paying so much money. That's
over 50%.
Yeah, it'll be unnecessary. And also, the banks would be watching you like crazy. And with that amount of money coming in one payment, they might even suspend your account for a little bit and investigate like what you're doing. So you guys have to understand, you can't, especially at 20 years old, you can't just withdraw I guess you could withdraw 1.5 million, but it's a big risk on our part. So me and Ollie, we have an accountant that we're currently speaking with, and he's trying to guide us in the best way
to do.
Yeah,
things.
so maybe like withdraw little bits at a time, put it in certain areas where tax isn't so high. So yeah, the 1.5 million, we're still trading on that account.
Yeah, just as a normal account, like normal risk day to day, as you would any other account. So we're still trading the majority of it, and then as Jamie said, we're in talks with an accountant. So best way to go about things.
And hopefully that answers a lot of it because there's so many. Like, it's crazy.
It's ridiculous.
So I just want to show you guys our website where you can go
to find what we offer, our signals, analysis and more. So as you can see, we have a recommended package and the build your own.
Okay, so what we want to do is you want to scroll down, you want to fill out all of these details, so your name, your email address, and then you can see the select your package. So here are the packages that we offer. So we're just going to choose signals, and then you got to fill out your Discord username, just put your card number in and the expiry date, tick the agreement and purchase.
I make £100 a day with $24 account in MT5. Simple answer to that. If you're using correct risk, no.
$100 with a $24
Yeah.
account.
No.
Yeah, it's not gonna happen.
I
mean, yeah, it can be done.
Yeah, it can be done, but to do it consistently every day, what are you saying? No. What do you use to trade? So, we're not going to share our strategy on YouTube. We teach everything we use though in our mentorship. Absolutely, like the value. We'll put some We'll put up some of the people's like comments or what reviews, I guess you could call it, from in the Discord group here. And just so happy like with what we're teaching.
It's because it's not out there. There isn't a name.
And that's why he says it. The stuff we're teaching isn't out there. You won't find it.
It's not on YouTube. It's nowhere. If I tell you, like, you have one pair to trade, what will be your choice? So one pair. See, this is a difficult one because the markets, if you didn't know, like the markets seasonally move. So like the money will go from one market asset to another. So that's kind of difficult. But if I had to trade one, I think it would be, it says a pair. So
I guess it just means anything.
Yeah. It would probably be the Nasdaq, the indice market. I love that, or the S&P 500.
Yeah.
And then if it had to be a Forex pair, mine would be Euro USD, hands down. What would yours be?
Yeah. So I like the indices as well. It'd probably be US 30 for me if we're talking indices. Then if it was a Forex pair, it would probably be either USD JPY or Euro USD. But if I was to pick one of them two, probably USD JPY, I'd say. So Kevin1511 has asked execution time frame ? So yeah, for the execution, what time frame do we use to get our entries and execute a trade? We'll go down to the small time frames. So we'll get our like daily bias. We'll get on the higher time frames, and if you're trading, it depends. Again, for us, if we're talking our strategy, we'll look at like from the hour and then to the 30 to get like bias and that, and then we'll go down to the 5 minute and like 15 them two to get our entry. So 5 and 15 minutes, that's a simple answer to it, to get our entries. So Calshaw07 has asked, do you think you'll be putting out more signals in Discord in September? Yeah, simple answer, yes, 100%. Market picks up again in September. August's been bad month for trading. Like we say time after time, it's a choppy month. Market slows down, and you'll see this in the charts if you have a look. It goes choppy, and it's a lot harder to trade. We both always recommend, even after a winning streak, a losing streak, and in the bad months like August, take a break, just go on holiday or just chill off the charts for a bit. Even after a winning streak or losing streak, just have a break.
Don't put how to overcome fear. So I've got two answers for this really. So number one, if you're jumping into a trade and you're scared it's going to hit stop loss, or you're just fearful of the trade that it's not going to go well, maybe you have a little bit too much risk on the trade, and just lower the risk. Like, you literally have to be comfortable losing that money. If you're not comfortable and it's like you're only looking at how much money you can make and you're ignoring like how much money you can lose, then you're probably not doing it good. And you have to understand, like, you can't promise
100%.
You can't promise 100% strat. So probably reduce the risk, I would say. And then another one to overcome fear is really understand how you're trading and get comfortable with it. So if you have an edge in the market and it works, it might not be a winning trade every single time, but more times than not, you're going to come out on top And at the end of the year, you should be positive. If it's a good trading strategy, you should come out on top. Yeah, you're going to have losing trades in the month, and then especially in the year, you'll get a losing trade every now and again. But you should come out on top. If it's a good strategy and you're comfortable with it, you should come out on top.
Definitely, that's exactly what I'd say. Like, very importantly, like Jamie said, big thing I agree with there. If you shouldn't really have fear if you're trading the correct risk. There should be no reason to have any fear in the market, because you should be comfortable with lose that amount. And if you're having fear, then you're clearly risking too much, or you're risking the amount that can blow your account or something like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's I agree with that as well. Right, so I'm going to lead off a bit with this question, but he said, I'm struggling to get funds for my Forex career. Please, is there any broker that gives money or bonus? So, right, so what I'd say to that is, if you're struggling to get the funds, I'd recommend a funded account. So, if you can trade, because you said to get for my Forex career, so I don't know if you're a beginner, but if you're a decent trader, you should be able to pass the challenge if you're using correct risk, and that will give you a nice boost to start trading and start your career off. Definitely go for a funded account. It doesn't have to be a crazy big one. Just you can get like 5,000, 10,000 one, can't you? So any size, but I'm sure that will help you. There's ones like FTMO, the Forex Funder, top trading, multiple ones. You can just look at top Forex platforms and they'll all come up.
But if you're a beginner, like you literally don't really know what you're doing and you literally have no money to spend or invest, just use a demo account.
Yeah, just to practice.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Or just study the charts and don't even do a demo account. Just look at the charts and, say hypothetically, where would you buy, where would your stop be, and does it play out? So...
But anyway, we hope this cleared a lot of things up, and sorry we couldn't answer all the questions. There's literally hundreds.
Yeah.
So if there's any more questions you guys want clearing up, we might do a part 2, might be like another Q&A.
Yeah.
So we'll put that on the Instagram as usual. Our Instagram will be there right now, and probably at the end of the video. But hope you enjoy watching. Like I said, hope it's cleared things up. So please leave a like, and if you're not subscribed already, do that. Let's try hit how many likes this video?
Let's do 700.
700 likes. All right, there you go. Jamie said it. So I've been Ollie.
I've been Jamie.
And we'll see you in the next video, guys.
Peace.